To update software in NPAC A60 units, you'll need a PC with internet access and a blank USB drive. Read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. Before updating the software, it's a good idea to verify the current software version installed. Turn the unit on, press the Settings button, then use the Adjust Control Select button to select System Info. The current software revision is displayed. Verify that your USB flash drive is good by inserting it into the USB receptacle on the bottom of the NPAC remote panel. Press Download Service File on the Units menu. The status bar should read USB write successful for a good USB flash drive. Next, download the software. Use a PC for this. Do not use a Mac. In a web browser, go to millerwelds.com. Find the Support tab at the top of the page and then select the Software option. On the Software page, scroll down and click on the Engine Drive section, and then select NPAC. Here, you'll find instructions on downloading and installing the software, release notes about the changes made, and software package downloads for NPAC units. Click to download the file. When the download is complete, run it. Accept the software licensing agreement. Copy the desired firmware to your empty USB flash drive. Files must be at the top level of the USB flash drive and not zipped or inside a folder. To install the software, insert the USB flash drive into the USB receptacle on the bottom of the NPAC remote panel. Make sure the unit's engine is off and the home screen is displayed. The display will change to the System Info screen. Use the Adjust Control Select button to select Firmware Update. If there are no valid update files, then the status bar will display No Files on USB or No USB Detected. If there are valid files, the display will then ask to confirm if you want to update the software. After the update is started, do not power down the unit or remove the flash drive until the update is complete. During the download, the progress bar displays the current file being updated on the bottom with the name of the file being downloaded. Each file being updated will progress from 0 to 100 on the progress bar. Software updates may take several minutes. Failures are indicated on the status bar on the top of the display. Correction of failed updates depends on what type of failure occurred. When the update is done, the status bar display will read Update Complete. Press the back button to go back to the System Info screen. The current software revision is displayed. Verify that the new software revision has been correctly installed.